Let's see, the gold yesterday has moved to the upside. Then we can see the price form at a bullish breakout above this area for resistance, which I have mentioned in the yesterday analysis, where the price was waiting for a breakout from the small area of range, which the price was stuck for several days. And we can see the price yesterday moved strongly, where the price has reached the daily resistance 4289.23, and the price is currently retracing slightly back down. Based on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see here, the price yesterday was trying to move higher, and we can see this was the attempt the day before that, and we can see a bearish pin bar I have mentioned in the yesterday analysis. The price moved slightly down, and then during the day the price has continued to rise in value, and then finally the price in the afternoon formed this strong bullish move, reaching higher price levels above 4235.13 resistance level. If we take a look on the 1-hour time frame, it will be more interesting to see how the prices behaved yesterday. The bullish breakout was happening here in the afternoon. It says at 5 o'clock in the afternoon at my time, and the price has reached 4260.78, a 1-hour time frame resistance level, the first one. And after that the price continued to rise in value. We can see it reaching very close to this area of supply zone at 4289.23. It was also a bullish breakout candle reaching higher price levels, and we can see from there the traders were getting out from their trades, locking their profits here, and that has triggered to form this bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle, where the price continued to lose its value, but after that we can see a demand zone here at this area of support has pushed the price again up, trying to reach continuous rise in value, but it was not successfully. We can see there is a selling pressure here, a supply zone where the sellers are waiting, that pushing the price down. But we can see on the 1-hour time frame, the open and close of these candles, none of them are going below this area of support, and this is holding the price. But now what I can see here, on the 1-hour time frame, we have one candle that has closed below this area of support, which means indicating of the further decline in value. So for now, for the 1-hour time frame, I expect that the price will continue to lose its value around this area of support, and then we'll see how the price will behave. Will there be a bearish breakout going below this area of support, or it will bounce back up and try to continue to rise in value, or it will move sideways? So for now, what I can see, the price is at the resistance level. We have a bullish trend that has lasted for several days. We can see that, and then the price has reached this area of resistance. Today is a Friday, which means the price could retrace back down more, because the traders will get out from their trades, which means they are locking their profits before the weekend starts, and especially at the resistance level, which is currently here, which could potentially push the price even further down, which means going back to here around 4230, which was on the 4-hour time frame a support level. We can see that here. So the price could retrace back down, testing the previous resistance. Now it will act as a support, and the price could return back up. But this is something that we need to watch and closely, how the market will react and in which direction will it go. The price could also return to move to the higher price levels, which means reaching an area above this area of resistance, making a bullish breakout today, and continue to rise in value. Will that happen? I don't know that. Currently, what I can see, it is the best to stay out on the Friday, because the Friday is a little bit messy, because it sometimes doesn't respect the technical analysis, so it is the best to stay out. So for now, I'm staying out. This trade that is currently open, I'm going to close it, and also inform the traders inside the premium analysis about this one, so they are informed about this trade. So for now, I'm staying out, waiting for the breakout. Is it bearish or bullish breakout? On the lower time frame, on the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame, it's something, and then follow the market. Stay safe, save your account balance, and happy trading. That's all for today.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.